Hey y'all, this is Anna Alexander and welcome to Dish About the Dish Happy Hour, where I'm still continuing my journey through the 1,200 plus cocktails available in the International Bartender's Guidebook. I'm in the A's, we're getting near the end, but today we're doing 3 of the 6 recipes they have in the book that include, or I should say feature, Apricot Brandy, which you can tell I've used it a little bit. It smells delightful. I don't know if it's really for the fall winter time season that I'm in now, but I'm ready to give it a shot. So we are going to start with the first one, Apricot Anise Cocktail. Yeah, anisette, which to me has always struck me as a little bit on the licorice side. Yeah, on the licorice side. So apricots and licorice. Let's just see what we get. So we're gonna start with our gin. I'm excited. I get to try out Aviation for the first time. 1.5 ounces of gin, 1/2 ounce of our Apricot Brandy, 1/2 ounce of our anisette, 1/2 ounce of our lemon juice. We have our ice, and shake. Strain it over a Collins glass. Top with club soda. Garnish with the biggest slice of lemon you will ever find. There we go. Here we have our Apricot Anise Collins. Cocktail 2 is the Apricot Cocktail, starting with 1.5 ounces of brandy, a teaspoon of gin. Why even? Just a dash. Whoop, sure. That's our teaspoon of gin. 2/3 of an ounce of orange juice. 2/3 of an ounce of lemon juice. Add our ice and shake. And this one goes over in a chilled cocktail glass. And here we have our Apricot Cocktail. Our last cocktail of the evening is the Apricot Cooler, which reminds me of the Applejack Cooler from last time. Soda and sugar are the 2 ingredients that are similar in each, which I guess is what makes it a cooler. 2 ounces of Apricot Brandy, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, juice of 1/2 a lemon, juice of 1/2 a lime, and optional is the dash of grenadine. Might have been a little bit more than a dash. And shake. Strain it in highball glass. And this one's also topped with club soda. I guess I should have had my lime twist ready to go. Garnish with a twist of lime. Apricot Cooler. These all look really refreshing, and we're gonna start with the Apricot Anise Collins. I think I was calling it a cocktail. This is a Collins. Here we go. You can taste the anise, but it's not that weird licorice flavor. I think what it does is it kind of enhances the apricot a bit. It doesn't blow me off my feet. It's not terrible. No, it's tasty. It's refreshing. But there are so many other beverages out there. Why would you go for this one is what I'm thinking. But I'll drink the whole thing. It's good. Our next one is the Apricot Cocktail. Pretty straightforward. Apricot gin, orange juice. That's right. I think because there was more brandy in it, you can feel the kick. The Collins, you're just drinking light lemony water. This one though, you're drinking a cocktail. You're having maybe 2 or 3s and then I think you're done for the evening. It's another one I could finish. And then finally we finish off with our Apricot Cooler. I think I like that little dash of grenadine. I haven't tasted it yet, so we'll see. Clean your palate first before you try these. So truthfully, the difference between these two, this one is a lot more citrus fruit forward. This one's a little bit more light. A hint of your apricot flavor. This one I'm tasting mostly citrus, not necessarily apricot. Like if you told me, I wouldn't know there was apricot in here. Again, not bad. Very refreshing on a hot summer day. These all would hit the spot. But I wouldn't say that apricot is slapping me in the face. So there we go. There's three apricot cocktails. Let me know if these are your favorite, if Apricot Brandy is your go-to liquor. I would love to know. And until then, do not be strangers. Please hit subscribe so you know when the next video drops. And it's gonna be more Apricot Brandy cocktails. But until next time, breathe, take care of yourselves. We'll see you all again soon. So thanks again, y'all. And until next time.